While goal setting is an important part of life all year round, the approach of the new year reminds us to reflect on our life and where we want to be. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organise to Excel. Welcome back to my channel, and don't forget to click the subscribe if you want regular updates on practical tips to organise your life. We've been helping people overcome clutter and get more organised for over 15 years. I'm here today to help you live your best life. What goals do you have for yourself? What's the best way to accomplish those goals? It's simple, if not easy. Assess your life as it is. Focus on the path towards the goal instead of the goal itself. Don't try to do everything all at once. December is the perfect time to assess your life and your priorities. Use the Wheel of Life to review what you are thankful for and honestly look at what you would like to be different in the future. The Wheel of Life is a great tool for keeping your life in perspective. It encompasses the 8 main areas of life: career, relationships, family, friends, recreation, health, finance, and spirituality. Of course, these areas of life all interconnect and affect each other. But taking a look at each area in turn can help you identify where things are going really well and areas of concern that you may need to address in the future. Use the Wheel of Life to take stock and be honest with yourself. How is your health? How about your relationships with your friends and family? What is each area of your life really like? Give yourself a rating out of 10 for how satisfied you feel about each area. Then ask yourself if you're spending the right amount of time in that area. For instance, you might say, my finances are a 6 out of 10 right now and I'm not spending quite enough time paying attention to them. Or you might say, I feel very supported and loved in my family, and I know they feel very supportive and loved. So that's a 10 out of 10. But I've been spending so much time with them that I'm not getting any time for myself. You will be lumpy and not run very smoothly, just like life when it's out of balance. What, if anything, would you change? Using the Wheel of Life to take stock of how you live is a great way to maintain balance. No pie chart can add up to more than 100%, and the way you spend your time follows the same rule. If you spend this huge amount of your time working, that means there's less time to spend building relationships. Hang out in the gym all day and you'll have less time to spend on spiritual pursuits. It's not up to me to tell you how much time and energy you should expend in each area of your life. Maybe you love being a gym rat. Does your career bring you more joy than kicking back and relaxing in a hot tub? Great! The point isn't for all of us to lead the same balanced life. It's to find your balanced life. And the path toward that starts by looking at your life as it is right now. However you approach your life in the coming year, I know these tools will help you be more organized. Live your best life now. Organise to Excel. Practical solutions for everyday issues. Subscribe, like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, and visit our website www.organisetoexcel.com.